Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, June the 27th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 Stars Sudoku. We have also a 4 stars and a tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. And in today's newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 Jigsaw Sudokus we have here. One with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Cypher block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will start with these 3 regular puzzles. News of today. Well, I've heard that our former Prime Minister, Mark Rutte, is now chief of the NATO. Yeah, NATO. Alright, that's the news of today. And the first Sudoku I will start is number 8799. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Should be an easy one. 27. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25, but this one has 27. Should be a 1 star puzzle, and for 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 50 minutes, but it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or a 1 star puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see. We have here the 4 in this column, first column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, first row, 4 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4. Then 4, 4. Need a 4 there. Cannot continue with the 4 now. How about the number 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8, and look, we have 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. So the 1 and 8 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. And now 3, 3, 3, 3. How about the 7? 7. How about the 6? Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5, 5, okay. Then 2, 2, need a 9 here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, so the third column. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 2, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 3 missing numbers now in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8. Then look, we have 3 and a 7 in the middle row. No 3 and a 7 in this box. 3 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the third column for number 8. Alright. Then we see 6, 9, 5. How about 4 missing numbers in this row? Those missing numbers in this row are the numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 7. We have a 3 and a 7 in this big square, so no 3 and a 7 in these two boxes. 3 and the 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So now in this big square we have the same numbers as a pair. Okay, 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Let me mark those two boxes. That means the other 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2 is missing. We have a 2 in this column. So no 2 in this box. 2 could be here, could be there. The 3 and the 4 is missing. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. We have an 8 in this column. So no 8 there. So the 8 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 2 then. Eliminated here, this 2. Okay. Then 2 in this column. 2 in the middle column, so the column next, there are only 3 places left. The 2 should be here, here, or there. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 in the third row, no 2 there. So the only place left. The 2 should be there. Need a 9 here. 5. Yeah. 1, 2. Wait. 9. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Need a 9 here. Well, let me see. 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, 9. 9, 9. 1, 2. Yeah. Need a 9 here. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next on the last column. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row. 9 in one of those two boxes in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. And a 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 1 goes there. 1, 1. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 1 goes there. So here 2 numbers left. The pair 7 and a 3. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 7 goes there. Here also 7 and a 3. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. 7 or 3. We have a 3 now in the third column. So this box should be a 7. 7. Okay. Then 4, 8, 6, and 9. Then 1, 8, and I need a 6 here. I need the 4 here. I need 2. 2 and the 4. Yeah, we have a pair in this column. These 3 missing numbers are. Oh wait, yeah. 2 of the 3 missing numbers in this column are the numbers 2 and a 4. We have 2 and a 4 in the last column. So no 2 and the 4 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 and a 4 in that column. So no 2 and a 4 in those 2 boxes. And we have a 2 and a 4 in this row, so no 2 and a 4 in these 3 boxes. So 2 boxes left for the 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. So 1 digit left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. Well, 5. Alright. So we have 7 in this column. Last column 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 8 are missing. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only place left, the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So we have a 6 in this row, last row, 6 in the row above. So that row, the only place left, the 6 should be there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Well, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 now in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright. These 2 missing numbers in this row are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here, 1 box left in the first column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing here. So we have 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left, the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 4 and 8. We have 8 now in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 and a 9. We have a 4 now in the middle column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Then 1 and then 9. 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be him. The 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7. 3 and the 7 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So we have a 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left. The 7 and a 3 in the first row, 7 and a 3. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. Then, let me see. How about the number? Yeah, 6 and a 9. We already have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left with 6 should be there. 1 box left now in the middle column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 3 goes there. 14 minutes. Well, told you, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Definitely a 1 star. I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.